Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, Mississippi Girl Life. I am Tamika, just a country Mississippi girl living in North Carolina. I'm the wife to a Marine Corps veteran who is also a New York City boy. I'm the mother to 3 wonderful children, and we have a fur baby. Her name is Summer. She is a pit bull and beagle mix. On my channel, I show you so many different things. Yes, it's a variety channel. We garden over here so we can eat healthy. I'm a couponer so we can save money. I raise chickens now, so we can have some free eggs and different things like that. It's just so much to find over here. So I hope my channel motivate and inspire you in the different ways that I am showing things. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoy this channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the video if it's God's will. Alright y'all, so this is a garden update. What's going on in the garden. Y'all, with the days that we living in, there's no excuse why nobody is growing their own food or stocking up. No excuse at all, you know. We gotta do what we gotta do for our families. And I hope these garden tours is motivating to you to grow and see how soon you can have food. If you just would go ahead and start the process, you know. Start the process for growing food. And you'll be surprised of the abundance and the different things that you will have, and it will take a lot of stress off. So with that, let's just go ahead and get into this video. Alright y'all, so over here is the peppers. So got habanero peppers, ghost peppers, got some bell peppers over here. Look at how much they have grown just within, what, I think I did a garden tour maybe a week ago. I have to see, but in that time, look at how much everything have grown. Y'all see that? Not doing a lot of peppers like I did last year, but yeah, this is what we have. Right here is the Endeavor zucchini, y'all. Y'all remember last time I had all these tomato cages up here. We have used a lot of them because I have been putting stuff throughout the garden. So these are my Endeavor zucchinis. Right here we got zucchini. Hey. So I gotta see if the Endeavor is very small zucchinis. I gotta look that one up because you see we got a lot of them. They're all around the same size. So I'm gonna get through here. Right here is my Brussels sprouts and my cabbage. So they are doing good. A lot better than what they did the past 2 years that I have done Brussels sprouts and zucchini. These are more established and they are looking really good. Really good. So these are my cabbages right here though. And they are established really good. So hey, good. I haven't seen any bugs, so it's a good thing. Right here is my straight neck squash. Got a lot of little squash on here. So very happy about that. Oh yeah, I took my nails off. I got them short this time. Can y'all believe that? So these are actually my nails. So I know some of y'all be admiring my nails. So I took the tip, got the tips taken off and just put gel polish on my real nail to grow my real nails out. And that's it, y'all. So yeah. But yeah, this is more squash right here. All of these are squash actually. Straight neck squash, and over here is zitri squash. So look at how big they have grown. Okay, right here is my squash that I grew from seeds. So I did these spaghetti squash from seeds, y'all, and they are very vinely. Okay, so keep that in mind if you're growing squash, spaghetti squash. They are vinely, different from the, you know, the bush squash. which is like your straight neck squash and stuff like that. So I'm trellising these up. Want them to go up the tomato cage as support. So yeah, all of these are spaghetti squash. Look at that one, it's growing so good. All of these. Look at this one. Look at this one. Oh my goodness, she doing so well. This one is too. It's then got out of there and then hung around and then did all this. I want to tell her, you got to go up there for support. Yeah, you got to go up there for support. I got some ties, so I end up tying it to the cage so it'll stay there even more. So over here is the eggplants, and these are different type of eggplants over here, and they have grown so much. So I'm gonna go in between here so y'all can see. I know I got some black beauty over here, got some classic eggplant. What else over here? Gratel eggplant. Those are the white ones. So yeah, lots of look at that. That is just so pretty to me. Lot of eggplants. Yeah, got more to bring over here too. All right, so I don't know if I showed y'all over here. I got some of my flowers in these grow bags. Can't wait for them to get all bushy. I love my snapdragons, but I haven't got snapdragons this year. I may just start some seeds for snapdragons. Right here, some more flowers. More flowers. So this is what's different. So hopefully today I'm gonna pick up 2 more of these. I had these since 2020. These are the rectangle tomato cages. So I have them trellising my beans. So I'll tell you what, I'll go around the middle. So these are trellising my beans. Oh, my camera battery about to die. So remember last time I just had them, so I put this up yesterday, and I'll just, as they grow even taller, I'll just take them and put them, you know, around here or whatever. I got beans I need to take off in here. This one right here is my Chinese long bean. So yeah, so it definitely needs to be trellised like that. And this one right here is my Taiwan long. So the same with this one, just running it, letting it do what it gotta do. So yeah, so I want to get one to go along here, and then one to connect on and continue right there. Right here is my potatoes. All these are potatoes, and they are doing really good. Really good. Right here are potatoes too. Okay, nothing is in here, and these are empty for now. Okay, so right here is hubby's peppers, some pepper plants, different types. Over here, my cucumbers. Look at this, y'all. Since last time, they are growing so well. See this? We got little cucumbers coming. Yes. So I've been trying to trellis them as much as possible because they are very vinely, you know, so very vinely. Look at this. Look at that. We got a little cucumber. Right here, look how much these Swiss chards have grown. It's gonna time to harvest some. I still gotta harvest my greens. I gotta harvest some Swiss chards. Nothing is still in these grow bags because I got stuff to put in them. Over here is Fruitland, where I got all my melons and stuff, my sugar baby watermelon. Look how much it has grown. Look right here. And I started all these from seeds. So they have grown so much. All I have to do is just look at all these flowers. Look at all these flowers. I just gotta I have to do that when I'm not on camera. Trellis it up. Make sure they going up the right direction. These are my ground cherries that I got to thin out because I didn't know they was ground cherries at first. I thought they was weeds until I started seeing those flowers, and I know they are ground cherries. So cantaloupe, I need to take some of the weeds out of this. These are sugar baby watermelons, my blueberry bushes and everybody like that. I'm moving kind of fast because of the fact that my camera battery is low. Look, y'all. Ooh, them gonna be some good blackberries. Then over here is the chickens area. So this is their tomatoes, they leafy greens. Woo, something been out here eating that up. Oh, I gotta find it. Probably a tomato hornworm. I gotta find it. But this is their area, they leafy greens. And there they go. There they go. So yeah. I got my pomegranate tree and stuff over here. So this is what the garden is looking like so far. All right, inside the greenhouse. So most of my stuff has come up, as y'all can see. My corn, sure ain't no clean in here. My corn, my squash. I got sweet corn, the triple kind. I got the triple white. I got the lemon squash. These are my zucchini raptures, Swiss chards, more corn, butternut squash, some more. I think this is squash. This is squash. So I got all those. Okra and stuff that's coming up over here. I got more melons that came up. I started everything from the seeds. So yeah, up top, so I already know this is another ground cherry I'm gonna have to take out. This is my patio zucchini. Look like I see some powder mildew on this. I'm gonna have to take those bad leaves off. It happens, y'all. See a couple spider mites too. So yeah, I'll take those off. Probably end up spraying it. The weather has been back and forth. Gotta harvest some lettuce, some more patio. Did I say cucumber or zucchini? They patio cucumbers is what they are. This is my other fig tree. Big Mama fig tree is doing really good. Oh, good. So yeah, I put her back over here because she was in the center. Because she got more shade over here. The sun was draining her. This is my peach tree, and the peaches are looking lovely. You see? So yeah, y'all, she has some peaches. Pear tree haven't done anything. Plum tree hasn't done anything. Still got strawberries. So, oh, and this is the discounted pink guava tree. I gotta take the dead leaves off. Remember, I got her because she was dead, and I thought she wasn't gonna come back, but then I said I should be able to get her back. Y'all see that? She's coming back. Yeah, I bought her pretty much dead from Lowe's. If y'all was on that live with me, and they discounted her from $30 to $15. So I took it, and yeah, so everything's looking good. So like I say, y'all, this is an update. I hope it motivates y'all to start a garden, because that's the way you're gonna have to feed your family. You know, starvation is real. Starvation is happening. Starvation is happening now, okay? So you can grow some of this stuff indoors, whatever the case may be. There's really no excuse. Make sure you're doing what you got to do for you and your family, all right?
Okay, y'all, so that's the end of the video. I hope you were motivated. I hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time that I upload a video. And also check out the information in the description box below, because it has a lot of links to different things that you may be interested in. So with that being said, y'all be safe, and I'll see you in the next one if it's Jehovah's will. Bye.